Hey y'all! Today we're on Okaloosa Island in the Florida Panhandle. This time we're camping at Destin West RV Resort. Destin West sits on the Choctawhatchee Bay and is just across the street from the Gulf of Mexico. They have 54 sites here. The sites on the outer perimeter are for pull-in motorhomes, and the 2 rows in the middle are for towable rigs. They have clean shower rooms here, a laundry room, they have a book exchange up in the office, and they have a heated pool out here that overlooks the bay. We are here on site number 15. All of the sites are about the same size. They're on these nice brick pavers. And they do have an area here set out like for the picnic table. It has a hole in it, you can do the umbrella. The only thing is, if you can tell, they are set up for motorhomes. So for us to be able to go back far enough to where we can park the truck in the front, our steps both land on the dirt. So that's a little unfortunate, but we do have room for the truck. We've got the kayaks under there. We've got our grill out, and the site is spacious. There's plenty of room. The dirt here, up front would be my only complaint. And then right back here they have a grassy area where we can walk the dog. And all of the sites are full hookup. I love the privacy. The shrubbery that they have in between the sites. You can see these are blooming pink, really pretty. All of the sites have some kind of shrubbery to give you a little bit of privacy. And that's our site. They have a small dock down here that allows access to the water where you can fish. You see the fish? You can swim right off the dock. You can go kayaking or paddleboard. We took advantage and kayaked a couple of times while we were here. If you're coming to stay, you can also anchor your boat or jet skis while you're staying. In addition to all of the amenities you get here at the RV resort, you'll also have access to the amenities at the Island Hotel, a sister property that's located just across the street. Over here they have multiple pools, including this one with waterfalls and a swim-up bar. This property is on the Gulf of Mexico, so you have direct beach access as well. They have a beach bar out here, And here in the back they have games and a food truck. They have an outdoor grill that's convenient for grabbing lunch if you're hanging at the pool. The resort is also within walking distance of the boardwalk, where you'll find shopping and some of the best restaurants on the coast. We enjoyed dinner at Crab Shack the first night we got here, and we had lunch at Floyd's a couple of times. This resort is also near Eglin Air Force Base, so on any given day you'll see fighter jets and other military aircraft flying around. It's pretty cool. Thanks for stopping by to watch, y'all. While you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video, because we're going to be sharing a lot more from our Destin trip soon. See y'all on the next one.